There are 23 countries in North America. And every single country has its own emergency alert system. I never made a video of rating every country's EAS alarm, so I'm gonna do one right now. We're gonna see which country has the scariest alarm. Your country probably may be on here. The first country that I found here was the land of Big Macs, the USA. I kind of don't like it. I think I will rate that 5 out of 10. Next, we're rating Canada.
New Amsterdam on Global.
Betty alarm kind of scares me because it sounds like they're about to drop some nukes on me. 100 out of 10. Now we're doing Mexico.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Wow, 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 wow. Who's scared of that? 0 out of 10. Antigua and Barbuda. Another one. This sounds like a rap. 0 out of 10. Again. The Bahamas. Ouch, my ears hurt. 8 out of 10. Next is the Barbados. Baba boy. Baba boy, baba boy, baba boy, baba boy, baba boy. 0 out of 10. It's not that scary. Next is Belize. What even was that? Another 0 out of 10. Why are these countries suck? Garbage. They're all trash. Next, we're reading Costa Rica. Mid. For the 10. Cuba next. I don't know if I can rate this one alone. I think I need my sister to rate this. Sister, rate this alarm.
4 out of 10.
Okay. Well, my sister said a 4 out of 10. Next, we're doing Dominica. Hey, what was that sound? We're not even scared about that, right, sister? Okay. It sounded like a bug. 0 out of 10. I'm not scared of. We're not scared of it. Are you scared of it?
Comment!
Now we're doing El Salvador. Stop.
I rate that a 1 out of 10. That is stupid.
I forgot to rate Dominican Republic, so we're doing that right now. That's loud. That's loud.
I rate that a 7.5 out of 10. Scary, a little bit scary. Not that much scary.
And it's also loud. Now we're doing Grenada.
Can I tell you something? 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. It's stupid.
Next we're doing is Guatemala.
Alerta nacional de emergencia. Alerta nacional de emergencia. Alerta nacional de emergencia. Alerta nacional.
It's scary, but scary. Boom!
Whoa! Okay, 20 out of 10.
Let me.
We're nearly there. We nearly made it to the end, so we can see which EAS salon has the scariest one. Okay, we're gonna go fast as we can, and then we're gonna be done. Haiti. That's the name of a country. Haiti.
Zero out of 10. Stupid.
Honduras.
Twelve out of 10.
Jamaica.
Ten out of 10. Scary.
Panama. Nine out of 10. Nicaragua. Six out of 10. St. Kitts and Nevis. Zero out of 10. It's not that scary. It's just a beep. St. Lucia.
7.5 out of 10.
St. Vincent.
Three out of 10.
We have one alarm left, and we're going to see which one's the scariest. Let's see this one. Trinidad and Tobago. Seven out of 10. That was the last alarm. So, which alarm you think was the scariest?
Comment in.
What alarm is it?
Canada.
Canada wins. And if you love watching, subscribe.